How to customize workspaces on Photoshop. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So, making sure that your Photoshop workspace is fine-tuned to yourself and yourself only, then you will have to make sure that it is not set into the default mode, which is the essential mode. So let me tell you or show you what I'm talking about. So let's click on window and click on workspace. You can see that currently the essentials or the default workspace is preloaded onto my Photoshop document or window. But you can go ahead and create your own workspace by going down and clicking on new workspace. And let's say I add a name like simply how to. So now when you save this workspace, any changes to the type of window that you want, let's say I want this workspace not to have the color option but the gradients option, and I want them separately. And let's say I want the history command, I want this separately too. And yeah, once I do this, the changes will now be saved into this workspace that I recently created, and it is very helpful if multiple users are using the same computer, and this will help and make sure that the work or their workflow is not hindered due to the fact that the workspaces have to be constantly changed according to specific individuals. And I hope this video helped you guys. This was pretty much on how you can quickly customize a workspace. You can do whatever you want. This was just an example that I showed. So let's say I now go back to the original workspace, which was essentials. You can see it is back to normal, and let's say I want to go back to the workspace that I created. It is right there. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you learned a little bit of Photoshop here and there from it. And if you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.